All right, everybody. Sorry I couldn't be there today. Here's a heat of reaction challenge question. This exact question is going to show up on your exam. It's very closely related to the labs that we have been working on. The mini lab with the baking soda and vinegar, and the copper sulfate and zinc lab. The key here is that you have to identify your system and surroundings, and then you have to follow the same steps in the zinc and copper chloride lab. Determine the amount of heat that is absorbed by the surroundings. Think about what the surroundings would be. Coffee is a solution. It's an aqueous solution. There's a hint in the question. It says you need to use the specific heat capacity of water. Once you have determined the amount of heat that is released by the reaction, you essentially work backwards from many of the other problems that we have done. For example, we have done problems where I may have said X number of grams of CaO produces how much heat. You would convert from grams to moles and then moles to kilojoules, like the example that we used from the video when we did the notes in class. In this problem, you will know the amount of heat that has been produced by the reaction. You then use the balanced equation and work backwards, converting from kilojoules to moles and then moles to grams. Feel free to work through this and talk this over during class today with your classmates. You cannot bring anything in that is already written down, but you can definitely bring in any ideas that you might have and some possible ways to solve this. If you can find me between the day that you're looking at this, Monday, and Tuesday when you're taking the test, I might be able to give you some more helpful hints. Good luck. See you on Tuesday.